Are you ready to take your skincare routine to the next level? Introducing the miniature silicone facial cleaning brush, a powerful yet gentle tool designed to elevate your daily skincare regimen. With its silicone bristles, this facial brush offers a deep cleansing experience like no other. I liked its compact size, which makes it ideal for your skincare routine on the go. It has a small handle which makes using the brush very easy and comfortable. But this versatile tool isn't limited to cleansing alone. You can use it for shaving, massaging your face, too, which I really liked. And when it comes to maintenance, the silicone material is a breeze to clean and dries quickly, ensuring a hygienic choice for your skincare. The one thing I wished was if it came in a bigger size and if you had the option to change the length of the bristles itself. Thank you for listening to the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this.